What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing Samsung M31 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Both of these devices are very popular these days and probably create a lot of confusion because both provide a great value for their price. So we'll be saying which one is the better one and which one should you go for. So my name is Gaurav, this is Technicos. Let's get straight into it. Now starting off with the design, the M31 is a smaller device in all the aspects compared to the Note 9 Pro. Be it the length or the width or the thickness or even the weight of the device, M31 is much smaller in all of these aspects. M31 has 191 grams. On the other hand, the Note 9 Pro comes in 209 grams. So it is much heavier than the M31. The M31 comes with a plastic back and the Note 9 Pro comes with a glass back, rather a Gorilla Glass back, which kind of adds the weight to the device. The fingerprint sensor on the M31 is on the back side, and in the Note 9 Pro it's on the power button. It's a side mounted fingerprint. The M31 comes with a water drop notch, meanwhile the Note 9 Pro comes with a punch hole display. Both the devices come with a 3.5mm jack and a front Gorilla Glass. Now coming on to the next category, which is the display category. The M31 has a display of 6.4 inches and the Note 9 Pro has a display of 6.67 inches. So that also adds up in the weight category kind of. It is a big device, bigger than the M31. Now the M31 has a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display and the Note 9 Pro has a IPS LCD Full HD Plus display. The M31 comes with a Widevine L1 feature, which means that Netflix and Prime will come in HD, whereas the Note 9 Pro comes with a Widevine L3, which means that the HD is not available for Netflix and Prime videos and all the streaming apps. Now the pixels in M31 are 403 pixel per inch, and in the Note 9 Pro it has 395 pixel per inch. So in the display category we can see that M31 is the clear winner with the AMOLED display and the Widevine L1, which provides HD for streaming apps. And if you're liking this video, I will request you to subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot. Now coming on to the camera, both the M31 and the Note 9 Pro have a quad cam setup. The M31 comes with a 64 megapixel primary sensor and the Note 9 Pro comes with a 48 megapixel primary sensor. The M31 has a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And the Note 9 Pro has a 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now in the front side we get to see a 32 megapixel sensor for M31 and a 16 megapixel for the Note 9 Pro. M31 comes with 8 times digital zoom and a 4K video recording at 30 fps. Meanwhile the Note 9 Pro comes with a 10 times digital zoom and a 1080p at 60 fps video recording. So in the camera department also we can say that the M31 is a better choice with a better primary sensor and a better video quality option with a 4K at 30 fps. Now talking about the performance of both these devices, M31 comes with the Exynos 9611 and the Note 9 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 720G. Both the devices have octa-core processors. The M31 comes with a 6GB RAM and the Note 9 Pro comes with a 4GB DDR4 RAM. Now if we look at the benchmark scores, on Geekbench, the M31 scored 348 for single core and the Note 9 Pro scored 570 for single core, and for multi-core M31 scored 1214 and Note 9 Pro scored 1767, which is 1767. So in the performance category we can see that the Note 9 Pro is a better device because the Snapdragon models usually perform much better than the Exynos processors. Now talking about the software of these devices, the M31 comes with One UI, which is the Samsung's basic UI, and the Note 9 Pro comes with MIUI or MIUI as they say. Now in this category I would say One UI is the better UI because MIUI or the MIUI have a lot of bloatware and adds built into it, but the One UI is a clean UI. It does not have much ads, so that's a better choice. And in this category also, the M31 is a better choice. Now coming on to the battery, M31 has a 6000 mAh battery and the Note 9 Pro has a 5020 mAh battery. Now the M31 comes with a 15 watt charger and the Note 9 Pro comes with a 18 watt fast charger. Both the chargers are fast, but both are a bit slow in real life if you see it. So I will say that my pick is going to be M31 because it has higher battery, but also it charges a little bit slower. So you're gonna have to compromise somewhere. So that's about it for this video. I will say that my final pick is going to be the M31. It's a better mobile in terms of all the specs, and you're getting a better camera, a better battery. The processor is not that great, but yeah, it's almost decent. So I would say that my pick is going to be the M31 when we compare Note 9 Pro and M31. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.